There is an important change brought in there this week in relation to this question of stalking. There's a new system of civil orders which allow a person to go to the district court and get an order, and in doing so they don't require the level of proof that they would have required for a criminal conviction. So up to now, stalking has been a criminal act, but you have to go to the guards, make a complaint, gather the evidence, or the guards gather the evidence, arrest and question and caution, and go through a prosecution, criminal prosecution. But now there's a civil law, a civil method by which you can protect yourself. You could apply to the district court from earlier this week for a civil order to prevent the behaviour from continuing. This is thanks to Part 5 of the Criminal Justice Miscellaneous Provisions Act of 2023, which was signed into law in Ireland in 2023, July 2023. The new system of civil orders seeks to prevent stalking and allows earlier intervention, as it does not require the level of proof required to secure a criminal conviction. So generally, civil level of proof, standard of proof, is on the balance of probabilities, whereas the burden of proof or the level of proof required, the standard of proof required for a criminal conviction is beyond all reasonable doubt. Under this new act, an affected person or a member of the guards acting on their behalf can apply to the district court for an order prohibiting another person from engaging in relevant conduct. And this new approach extends protections currently available to certain victims under the Domestic Violence Act 2018 to all victims of stalking behaviour, regardless of their relationship with the perpetrator. It also provides for the making of orders on an ex parte basis, that is, where the court is satisfied that there's an immediate risk to the safety and welfare of the applicant. In other words, an ex parte basis means one person goes to court and an order can be made without involving the other person. The court may also grant an interim order pending the final determination of the application, where the court deems it necessary and proportionate for the safety and welfare of the applicant. So provisions for civil orders to prevent stalking is an important step forward to tackle all forms of sexual and gender-based violence, regardless of the relationship between the victim and the perpetrator. In other words, they don't have to be in a domestic violence situation or in a committed relationship or anything of that nature. So that's good news for anybody who may be a victim of stalking. Now you can go to the district court and get an order, apply on an ex parte basis to the district court for an order to prevent the stalking. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, I would appreciate if you hit the thumbs up button down below. Thank you very much.